Let's make some classic chili. So these are all the ingredients that I use. They'll all be listed in the caption. I start by heating a pot, a pink pot at that. Add grapeseed oil, a rough chopped onion, and then we're just gonna saute that for a couple minutes until the onion's translucent. Next, I'm gonna add one whole chopped bell pepper, some fresh garlic, and I found a really dope heirloom jalapeno at Trader
Because the
Joe's.
plot twist at the
Cumin is the
end.
#1 stunner of my chili base. Find a really good ground beef and throw that in there. I don't want to hear anything about it being healthy. We're all going to die one day. Anyway, add some chili powder, saute the meat until it browns. And then I like to add fire roasted crushed tomatoes and fire roasted diced tomatoes and tomato paste. Give that a mix. And I added a little more because it wasn't as juicy as I like. I add about 3/4 of the can of black beans because Mr. Bear is not a fan of beans like that. Y'all know I had to make this boy some cornbread. It is a staple in the household. Get you a cast iron skillet if you don't have one. Let the chili simmer for maybe about 30, 35 minutes, 40 if you nasty. Top it with whatever you want to top it with. I like spice, so yes, those are fresh jalapenos. Add some cornbread on there, eat it. Bye.